That ought to do it. Hi everyone, welcome back to the SME. I'm going to do a kit review today of the new Toyota Supra 3.0 Turbo kit. It was just reissued by Tamiya, and there's a few changes to the kit. So as normal, there's the instruction sheet. The body looks real good. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Looks pretty good. No real mold lines. Little one right here, but a nice open grill. These are the headlight doors that go here. Yeah, body looks good. This is a 1986 Toyota Supra. Let's see what else is in this bag. Looks like a couple of metal axles, poly caps, and some rubber tires. That's good. Clear plastic parts, closed windows, the heater vents in the back window, a couple of headlights, and some taillights. These are pretty nice, sort of satiny chrome, not real shiny. And I'm not sure why, but there's two sets of mirrors. This is kind of nice to see. We have window masking as well as a small decal sheet with four license plates, a digital dash and an analog dash, 3.0 turbo and Toyota. So yeah, it's a pretty simple decal sheet, but I think that'll do well. In the main bag, first tree has two dashes for US or Japan. Steering wheel, separate exhaust, seats, spoiler. This must be for the headlight doors for a hinge, windshield wiper, emergency brake. The interior tub looks kind of basic. The door panels are molded into the tub, so that's going to make that a little challenging to detail out. The center console is also in here as well. Not bad for an old kit though. This was kind of disappointing to me that the exhaust and the engine was molded right to the chassis as well as the rear end. I may just paint the whole thing black and forget about it. Like I said, it had some metal axles, so it's got the holes there for that. Some windshield wipers, front subframe, it looks like, a shifter. It does have two sets of side view mirrors. That's interesting. There's the lights, headlights, and looks like the rear end and another set of wipers. So two sets of wipers. I think it's a pretty good kit. I think it'll build up real easy. A little bit of detailing to make it special. I highly recommend it. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time.